What's going on, guys? So today what I'm going to be doing is I ordered some Oracle side markers. So basically these front ones right here as well as these rear ones are going to be replaced. I haven't showed you guys yet, but I did the afterburner kit on the tail lights. This is what they look like. So basically just continuing with the Oracle products and the stealthy look. As you can see, these are kind of old and bland and they don't look that good. So ordered some concept style LED tinted side markers from Oracle. I already put one in to show you guys. So this is what they look like when you're done. Looks much cleaner. But this is basically what the packaging looks like. Just comes in a little Oracle box. And then when you open it, as you can see, one's already replaced, but basically come looking like this. I'll take out the sun for you guys. Well, if I can get the focus, I don't know why it's not focusing. Anyways, that's what they're gonna look like. So take off. Basically, it's pretty easy install. Take off the front. All you gotta do is, actually go to the other side. All you gotta do up here is remove these 3 torque screws, one here, one right here, and one right here. After that, there's gonna be a little tab on the inside that you're just gonna pop off right here. And then it'll go ahead and just pop right out, and all you gotta do is plug and play. And then for the rear, there is one 7mm bolt right up in here. It's hard to see, but then all you gotta do for that is just pop that off, and then the fender right here just kind of pulls off, and it's basically a pretty easy install from there. So I'm gonna put the camera down and go ahead and get that popped off for you guys. There is a 7mm bolt right here, so we're gonna go ahead and take that off. And you can do this with a lowered car, because my car is lowered 1.5 inches in the rear and 1.4 in the front. So you can do it with a lower car. I'm sure it'd be easier on a stock height. And it actually looks like I have a nail in my tire. That's not good. Seems like a lot of threads. All right, we're almost there. All right, finally. So that's what the bolt is. So then from there, all you gotta do is just grab right here and carefully pull, and the bumper will start to come off. And then right here behind this, there's a little tab. It's easier to use a screwdriver. You can probably get it without it. Basically all you gotta do is just pull the bumper back enough, grab the tab, and push in on it, and then just kind of pop out on the side marker. And it just pops out real easy. Go ahead and you can unplug the bulb if you want, but this Oracle one does replace the bulb, or just goes into your factory harness. So it might be easier to do that. Once you get this off, just unplug the bulb housing from the actual OEM harness. And then from there, you can take your Oracle side marker. It's already got the natural plug for it. I found it easier if you actually undo this to give you a little more slack. And then just go ahead and plug it in. And then I always make sure it works before I go ahead and put it back in. So hit the unlock button. It does work. So then I can go ahead and put this back. can figure out which way it goes. I don't know why I'm having how much difficult times right here, but it's pretty easy install. There we go. All right, and then from there, you just put the little back insert in. This is kind of a tricky part, in my opinion. At least I had quite a bit of troubles with the other side. Basically, just kind of wedge it in there. And then what I found is easiest is just go ahead and push this pin in, and this back portion will go ahead and pop in when you do that. There we go. Make sure it works one last time before I button it up. And yeah, and then basically just repeat. So all you're gonna do is push this back in, and then you're gonna put that bolt back and then continue to the front.